Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 23rd December current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Even if you are preparing for different types of competitive exams, this is the only one channel where provides daily current affairs series that will be useful for all competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, RRB, bank, CTET, UGC net and many more competitive exams. You have to do just subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Let's get into our current affairs. The first one, Great Indian Bustard. Here it is a bird where resides in mostly in Rajasthan. Why it is in news? Why? Because the Ministry of Environment along with the Wildlife Conservation Society India has come up with a unique initiative. It is a firefly bird diverter for a overhead power lines in areas where GIB, that is Great Indian Bustard, populations are found in the wild. We know that there are several power lines are there. If these birds are flying through that power lines, they may have some electric shock or shock to that birds that may leads to death also. That's why if you arrange like fireflies, that means they will that power cables, for that power cables they will arrange some lights, then they can see that light and they can divert their path to another way. In that way we can curb the or we can reduce the deaths of these GIBs, that is Great Indian Bustards. That's why Minister of Environment along with the Wildlife Conservation Society India has come up with a unique initiative, that is Firefly Bird Diverter. Here GIB is one of the most critically threatened species in India with a fewer than 150 birds left in the wild. That's why we have to preserve these GIBs. Why? Because they are less than 150 birds. Here, if you see the IUCN status, that is critically endangered. Very, very important, guys. Critically endangered. Next one, India Workplace Equality Index. Here, the India Workplace Equality Index touted as the country's first comprehensive benchmarking tool for employees to measure their progress on LGBT, that is lesbian, gays, bisexual and transgenders plus inclusion at workplace was launched. Here this index, that is India Workplace Equality Index, is measures 9 areas. They are policies and benefits, employee life cycle, employee network group, allies and role models, senior leadership, monitoring, procurement, community engagement and additional work also. That's why this index will mainly concentrate on these 9 areas. That is about India Workplace Equality Index. Next one, Mini Kajiranga, very important. Why? Because there is a one question on this Mini Kajiranga. Another name for Mini Kajiranga is Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. It is situated in the floodplains of River Brahmaputra in the district of Morrigan and about 45 kilometers from Guwahati, the capital of Assam. Here, very very important, this is Mini Kajiranga, or another name, that is Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, is also known as Mini Kajiranga. Here in 1987, Pobitora was declared as a wildlife sanctuary. Here Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary harbors the highest density of rhinoceros in the world and second highest concentration of rhinoceros in Assam after Kajiranga National Park. Here in the sense of highest density, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary stood at the first place in the density level. After that, highest concentration is second one after the Kajiranga National Park. We know that Kajiranga National Park is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Next one, UN Population Award 2020. Here, HelpAge India has been presented the UN Population Award for 2020 institutional category according to the release issued by UNFPA. This is the after 4 decades. HelpAge India which has been working for a cause and care of disadvantaged older persons to improve their quality of life for over 4 decades. It is the first Indian institution to receive this award, that is UN Population Award 2020. Here, one more ad or one more bonus, that is UN Population Award in individual category, that is JRD Tata got the individual category. Next one. As a part of UPSC prelims, that is previous paper analysis, today we will discuss 53rd question with reference to the ocean mean temperature, that is OMT. Which of the following statements is are correct? Here OMT is measured up to a depth of 26 degrees Celsius isotherm, which is 129 meters in the southwestern Indian Ocean during January to March. Here, OMT collected during the January to March can be used assessing whether the amount of rainfall in monsoon will be less or more than a certain long-term mean. First of all, we have to know what is this motion mean temperature. This it is a collected during the January to March, and it can be assessed to the whether the amount of rainfall in monsoon will be less or more than a certain long-term criteria. Here, OMT is measured up to a not 129 meters, it is from range from 50 to 100 meters. That's why first option is wrong, second one is correct. Here options are like this: A 1 only, B 2 only, C B both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. That is our correct option is B 2 only. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.